that's why, ilang beses ako na-scam sa love.
And etong si Renz, what did he teach you about love?
Na ganito pala yung feeling ng prinsesa. Ganito pala yung feeling ng reyna. Kasi ako, I'm so much of a giver. I'm always the one who gives. I'm always the one who sacrifices. It's always me, me, me. And I like doing it. When Ren
New Glutathione Pro 8 with 3 powerful ingredients to get radiant and firmer skin. Fear of loose skin holding you back? Try the new Glutathione Pro Age with Glutaglow.
When Ren came, he made me feel the other way around eh. Na ito yung, na pag binigyan kita ng bulaklak, hindi mo deserve ang isang dosena. Kailangan 12 dozens. Or, kapag ka, iniisip ko pa lang, nagawa niya. For example, sasama siya sa isang event, hindi ko pa iniisip, pero nandiyan na lahat ng mga possible na gamot, just in case mag-migraine ako during the event, just in case masuka ako, magdutom or whatever. Ganon siya. And sabi ko, ganito pala yung babae, ganito pala yung feeling na ikaw naman yung pinagsisilbihan because that's his love language eh.
Did you ever think mahanap mo yun sa isang listener, sa fan?
Hindi. God is just so amazing that He gives you surprises every now and then. Hindi ko naisip that I would actually marry somebody na nakikinig sa akin, diba? Pero,
Isipin mo na in love siya sa'yo by listening to you.
yes! Sa aking boses!
Hindi po TV, hindi mo nakikita mukha niya. Alam mo na ba itsura niya, no?
Hindi talaga.
Oh, wow. Okay, kailan ka nagkagusto? Isipin mo, di mo alam itsura.
Nung pinakita sa akin siya ng friend ko, sila Vanyaper, yung picture niya.
Oo,
Doon nag-start na. Hinayin ko na yung number, lahat.
oo. Pero pinakikinggan mo siya all the time.
Yes. With my mom.
With your mom.
Ay, hindi! Hindi!
Yeah.
Also, mom! Also, mom! Also, mom!
Kaya,
Your girlfriend.
Yes.
What did you like about her? Nung pinakikinggan mo?
nakakatawa talaga. Nakakawala ng pagod.
Isipin mo pag-ibig yan, nakakawala ng pagod.
Yes.
Ganun talaga. Daig ng komedyante ang maganda.
Why did you think of courting her? Alam mo, ang daming mga fans or listeners or viewers, may gusto silang artista or celebrity. Hinahangaan nilang from afar.
Yeah.
Hindi nila iisipin na ligawan.
Siguro dahil
Did you feel something?
yeah. Plus, yung mom ko talaga, love team siya talaga. Sobra, pinag-uusapan namin siya. Hindi ko pa siya nakikita na, I don't know, pero nakita ko siya, yun na alam ko siya na.
Dear
Sariwa!
Haba ng buhok, guys.
Oh, di ba?
Alam mo, nabash ka din, ha? Oh, did that hurt?
Siguro, sa umpisa. Sobra.
Kasi parang minaliit ka eh.
Without actually
Knowing
knowing him.
Yep. Sa umpisa, yes. Pero siguro yung guidance niya, yung talagang na-explain niya lahat, yung pinagdadaanan, naintindihan ko
And
yung
wait,
sitwasyon.
I wasn't able to say, because of what happened, naging lay minister siya. Na ni sa inagap, hindi ko maisip na magiging lay minister. Diba?
And guys, look at the shirt. Pray on it, pray over it, pray through it. Dalawa na ang anak niyo ngayon.
Yes.
Pero ang una niyong anak, may dinaanan kayong pagsubok. That must have tested your marriage.
Tested our marriage and also tested our faith. It was very difficult. Talagang unimaginable. You know, when people ask me, paano mo na-survive yun? I always say it's just by God's grace. Kasi during that time, it was also sudden. It was during the pandemic when it happened. So, Princess was in an online class. And then may lagnat siya. Ang napansin ko lang sa kanya, she was sleeping more than usual. So, during online class, nakatulog siya. So, sabi ko, bakit kaya ganito? And then, kasi sobrang daldal nito eh. Isa siyang megaphone na tinubuan ng bata. Ganun siya. And then suddenly, for one whole day, parang hindi ko naririnig yung boses niya. Kasi nga, tulog siya ng tulog. dinala namin siya sa ER. We got confined and then sinity scan. So nung sinity scan, sabi ng doctor, Mommy, your daughter has meningoencephalitis. Talagang yung world ko talaga nag-black, lahat. It was unimaginable na I wouldn't wish it even to my worst bashers. Yung nag-bash ng pregnancy at all, hindi ko siya i-wish kasi it was very difficult to handle. And she was in a coma for 3 weeks.
In a coma?
Nakakaawa siya talaga. Wala siyang buhay. Nakabit sa pagkulada. Tapos hindi siya gumigising. Ano mo nakatulala? Nakatulala lang. Nakabit at hindi kami kilala.
Yes, in a coma.
Oh
for
my
3 weeks.
Lord.
So, can
And
you just...
pag coma, you're unsure. Babalik ba to?
Yes.
Mamamatay ba to?
Yun yung sinabi ng neuro. Mami, we don't know if she will live. If she will live, we don't know if we don't know if she will get to walk again or if she will be blind or anything is possible. Especially her MRI scans showed so much inflammation. So it could be anything. Pwede hindi siya makapagsalita. Ang dal-dal niya.
And mentally, I'm sure sinabi ng doktor.
Yes, yun din ang sinabi niya. And we're not sure if mentally she will still remember you. She might remember, sabi ng doctor, she might remember, we really didn't know what to do. That was the time that we prayed and we prayed and we prayed and we prayed and we prayed so much more. Wala kaming ibang ginawa kundi magdasal.
Alam mo yung iisipin mo na sana okay na yung kalihuling tao makaramdam nito dahil ang mapinay ng magulang. Sabi nga namin, hindi namin biniwish mangyari sa kahit sino itong nangyari sa amin kasi sobrang sakit. Sobrang hirap.
Lord, give us a miracle, give us a miracle. Kasi parang ang sinasabi talaga ng doctor is, we're not sure. You just have to pray kasi we're just doctors.
As a mother, what was it like for you every day?
Ang hirap. Isipin mo yung, akala ko nakatulog na ako ng matagal. Yung pala 2 minutes lang yung naglipas. I wake up every single time. Tapos during that time, because it was COVID, ako lang yung pwedeng pumasok sa ICU. And I was the one who saw everything eh. Na akala ko tumatawa siya, pero hindi pala yung tawa. Or, and she celebrated her 8th birthday in the ICU. So, ang hirap niya. It was so difficult. Actually, sumisigaw na nga ako eh. Sumisigaw ko, Lord, hindi ka nakikinig.
Ate, kayo kami nagkaano inon-on.
Dasal ako ng dasal.
Dati, lagi.
Actually,
Hindi mo po siya kunin sa amin. Hindi na lang po namin kaya.
Lord, ikaw nang bahala. Hindi na namin alam eh. Hindi na namin alam. Ikaw na lang mag-drive ng buhay na yan. Parang, sige Lord, offer ko. Kung ano yung dapat, i-offer ko.
And that time when I was shouting that in my mind and I was mouthing it already, that was the time when the doctor said,
Bawa
"Mami,
nila
kailangan
in baso."
gusto yung MRI, yung ano niya, yung
Color.
parang heartbeat was so low. Everything was so low. Tapos yun na talaga yung umiiyak na talaga ako ng sobra. And si Ren, he's a 6-footer. Kita mo siya everyday nakaluhod. Tapos everyday gumaganito, Lord, 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 please, Lord, Lord. And ako ang sinasabi ko talaga, Lord, hindi ka nakikinig sa akin eh. Gusto ko lang naman siyang bumalik. I want her to live. I want to take care of her because it took a while for me to get pregnant eh. I just want to be a mother to her. Please give me back my daughter. And my prayer was, Lord, I promise
Patuluan,
that
nagkuhan na kang braha.
when she gets well, I will tell the world that the story of your miracle, that miracles do happen. I'm very active on social media. The only time that I will post is when I will post the miracle that you will give me. The princess will go back to me, not a cell out of place. That was my exact prayer. Lord, not a cell out of place. Pero it was during the time that I actually surrendered and told God na. So I just held on and then said, Jesus, take the wheel. full surrender. Ikaw na po. Ikaw na po. Anyway, nothing happens by chance. Lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay natin, mabuti o masama, lahat may dahilan. So, ikaw na po ang bahala. And then the next day, she started getting better. And in 1 week, you were out of the hospital.
What a miracle.
Really, it was truly a miracle. And, you know, si Princess is graduating this year.
Ay, wow!
O, di ba sa sobrang liit ng ang hagdan namin, kasya pa kaming dalawa?
Pero guys, kasi these are the weekend homes
Yes.
here in Santa Rosa. A lot of the homes really are this size.
Yes.
Yun talaga. It's
Yan
so
ang
cute.
size niya.
I
Cute
like
size.
it. I like it. It's a cute size.
Wait, did I tell you that I'm a fan of Hello Kitty?
Ay,
So
ang
this
cute
was
ko.
given by a listener.
You know what touches me? Is you keep the gifts of your
Yes,
listeners.
I
But
do.
ito,
I do.
you're so appreciative.
Sobra.
Look at
I'm so
that.
appreciative.
Ay, pakita naman natin, guys, ang
Yeah.
awards. Wow, KDP.
Yes,
Nanalo na po
Golden
siya ng
Dove.
KDP, Golden Dove.
So yan, yun ang
Oh,
aming
this is your room here.
Yes. our
Nice.
room.
It's very cozy. Pang weekend talaga.
Yes.
So you
At saka,
de-stress here.
and we co-sleep. So even if Princess and Prince, they're big people, and my husband, we still sleep together in one bed.
Oh, I love this.
This
Let's
is
show that you have a collection.
kay Prince na room.
Ang cute.
Yeah.
So I think
mahilig
it's also why you come here because he likes his toys.
Yes, kasi in the condo, limited ang space. So,
Oo.
yung toys, he just picks yung mga pwede niyang dalhin sa condo that will not take up so much space.
Pero
But the rest are here.
you're so neat, ha?
Hindi, dumating ka kasi. Hindi mo sure kung paano tsura niya nung hindi ka dumating. So, this one naman is, diba, napakasikip po dito eh. Princess Playroom.
Oh, nice. Alam mo, ang laki nga eh. May ganyan pa, oh.
Come on.
Well, because nga, you love big furniture, so
Yes.
mahilig po siya sa butterfly.
Mahilig po ako.
Na-notice
Did you
ko
see the
kahit sa
butterfly
labas.
chair sa
I
labas?
saw. Ang ganda nun.
Yan. So,
Wow,
yan.
hello!
Princess nasa pictorial.
Oh, nice.
Graduation.
Are you
There.
excited? Graduate na.
Yes.
Oh, look at the collection.
Alam mo ang tawag dyan, Karen?
Yeah.
Sugat ng kabataan. Sugat. Wala
Oo.
ko masyadong
Kasi,
toys growing up.
well, ang
Pero
dami.
sobra. Kasi nga si Princess, she's really... Kaya imagine when she got sick talagang seeing all these, tapos
Yeah.
not knowing what to do with them.
Dear, ang lalaki ng kanyang frozen. Ay, oh my God! Wow! Wait, may negosyo ka na? May negosyo ka na? Oo.
This is something that we bought in Bangkok recently.
This is so
a car pendant.
And how much do you sell this?
How much, babe? 1.3.
Ang cute niya, ha?
Depends kasi sa design.
Ayan, bata pa lang, negosyante na. Paano ka ba naging DJ?
Ay, naku, dahil
Ano
sa
ang-
love! Ayan na naman ako sa love!
O tapos,
Ako lagi sa pag-ibig!
na-in love ka, pero paano ka napasok sa radyo?
Na-in love ako sa kanya. So, bago pa nag-ghost, yung mga nag-ghost ng mga artista nitong recently, ako yung unang nag-ghost. So, ginost ako nito